Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Datadog API key management, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize with Datadog API key management, start by logging into your Datadog account. Navigate to the API section in the Datadog dashboard. Locate the API keys management option. Click on the API keys tab to view your existing keys. If you need to create a new API key, click on the New API Key button. Enter a meaningful name for your API key in the provided field. Review the permissions and ensure they align with your needs. Once satisfied, click on the Create API Key button to generate the key. Copy the newly created API key to your clipboard. Next, open your preferred code editor or terminal. To authorize your API requests, include the API key in the header. Use the following format: dd API key, your API key here. For verification, perform a quick test by sending a sample API request. Monitor the response to ensure your authorization was successful. If you receive an error, double-check your API key for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments based on your findings. For additional security, consider regenerating keys periodically. Remember to revoke any unused or compromised keys. Keep your API keys secure and do not expose them in public repositories. With these steps, you can effectively manage your Datadog API keys and ensure secure access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.